Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin with hair that's clean and lightly damp. This gives grip without brittleness. First, apply a lightweight cream and a few drops of oil. Work it evenly from roots to ends. Next, section the hair into the size you want for your Freeform Afro. Remember, smaller sections yield tighter coils. Once done, take one section, twist or coil it around your finger, let it set loosely, and move to the next. Make sure to maintain consistent tension so the pattern stays natural. You now focus on volume and shape. Leave parts irregular to encourage the freeform silhouette. For definition, employ finger coiling on areas needing structure, interlock sparingly where knots are desired, and palm roll to smooth edges. Rotate techniques rather than forcing uniformity. Once enough sections are set, allow hair to dry fully, air dry, or use a diffuser on low heat to keep shrinkage even. Make sure to sleep on satin to prevent frizz. You finish by assessing the overall silhouette and trimming minimal stray ends after about 6 to 8 weeks. This keeps shape but preserves natural growth. Then, establish maintenance. Light oil weekly, deep condition every 2 to 3 weeks, and minimal manipulation. If knots or mats form, do not cut immediately. Work a diluted conditioner spray into the area, gently tease apart with fingers, and use a wide-tooth comb only if necessary. If progress stalls, reassess moisture and sleep protection. Adjust routine accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.